General Isgardo enforced strict and harsh rules on Filipinos. These policies removed some privilege and made Filipinos feel. Because of this, many Filipinos developed resentment toward Spanish authorities rather than investing the actual events. Instead, investing the Spanish central government defended mainly on report from Elsgardo the first and public opinion. Because of this, the truth about what really happened was not fully examined. The fires days all influence effectively ended 1872. The influence and power of these fires started to weaken in 1872 because Spanish government reduced their authority over school and government matters. Because they were afraid of losing power, they tried hard to protect their position. To allow Filipinos priests to take control, Filipino priests wanted to manage local churches or parishes. This was part of the secularization campaign, which to give Filipinos priests equal opportunities and leadership roles in churches. During this period, Filipino responded. This meant that during that time many Filipinos felt they were being treated by the Spanish government because of the injustice they experienced. They began to react and of Spanish rule. Ultimately, the exclusion of Gomborza, fathers Gomez Burgos and Zamora become hug mistake for the Spanish authorities because instead to stopping resistance, it made Filipinos even more angry. United their date among Filipino inspired many reformers fight for change, quality, and eventually independence from Spain.